If you want to connect Calendly with HubSpot, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full integration step by step so you can sync your scheduling workflow with your CRM and keep your lead management organized. This is a great setup if you want new meetings, contacts, and activity data to flow more smoothly between both platforms. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your Calendly dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the top menu and click on Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly keeps all of its available app connections, so it's the correct place to begin when you want to link Calendly with another platform. After that, you'll see a list of applications you can connect. Scroll through or use the search until you find HubSpot. When you see it, click on HubSpot to open the integration page. This page will give you the option to connect the two tools together. Now click Connect HubSpot. This starts the authorization process and tells Calendly that you want to link your account to HubSpot. At this point, Calendly may redirect you to HubSpot so you can confirm access. If you are not already signed in, log in with your HubSpot administrator credentials. It's important to use an admin account here because the integration may need permission to access the right CRM settings and sync data properly. If you're already signed in, HubSpot may move you directly to the next screen. Next, review the list of required permissions carefully. This is an important step because it shows what Calendly will be allowed to do inside your HubSpot account. Make sure you understand the access before continuing, especially if your team has strict account or data policies. Once everything looks good, click Connect App to finish the setup. After you confirm, the integration will be activated and Calendly will be connected to HubSpot. From here, you can start using the integration to support your sales and scheduling workflow. Depending on your setup, this can help your team stay better organized, reduce manual work, and keep important customer information in one place. If you don't see the expected options right away, give the page a moment to load, then refresh and check your connected apps again. In some cases, browser extensions or account permissions can affect the connection process. So if something doesn't work on the first try, double check that you're signed into the correct accounts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you manage bookings and track leads. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.